Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new room tour for you here at Walt Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. These rooms in the last year or so have been refurbished, and let's go ahead and get on in and get started. All right, so we're in building 2 on the first floor in room 2140. We're gonna open the door right here. These doors are heavy. Say hello, Therese.
Hi, welcome.
Yep. And so the first thing we really noticed overall when you walk in here is how much they are like, really just pop centuries as far as a value resort goes. And so when you walk in the door, let's go straight to the left right here, and you have a little end table. It does have your Hey Disney right there, which is your Amazon, basically Amazon Alexa, Disney's version of that. And they did add some USB-Cs. I don't know how well you can see them right there. They have a regular USB as well as a USB-C port, and they have a little place down there to store some stuff. You see, we already have something down there. Right next to it is, of course, the Murphy bed. These did not have Murphy beds before they refurbished them. Therese is going to show you how to easily pull one of those down. You do have to move the chairs. I've already moved one, and
move the chair over here.
Yep.
And you can literally do this in one hand.
Nice and easy. That's your second bed right there. And then of course you see the Huey, Dewey, and Louie artwork. One of the things that they did is they kind of made it generic so that it really represents all of the All-Star resorts, not just All-Star Sports. You see they have the soccer ball there, but they also have the theater right there. She's gonna lift the bed back up for us. Apologize for the way we look. We just got back from Typhoon Lagoon today, and so that was it fun, and we'll have a video on that as well. But looking over to the right, when you enter the door right here, you'll see you have kind of your cooler and coffee and ice station right here. You do have, well, I've already kind of got some things put up there. You have your ice bucket right here, just your single brew coffee, but it looks like there's room to brew 2 at a time. And then of course you have your Joffrey's coffee, cups, lids, all that good stuff there. And then of course beneath it is the cooler. I don't know if I've ever seen the sticker before, but it says it cools beverages to 41 degrees and above. I hope it's going to get it to 41 degrees. I don't know what the above means for that. Anyway, we're going to keep on moving right here across under the TV. First of all, I guess I'll show you the TV. You got a nice big screen TV right there with all of Disney's, of course, their standard stuff across the bottom in terms of what you can watch and connecting to devices and things like that. We have a Magic Band charging down there. You see you have both the regular USB and a USB-C there. Same on the other side right here as well. And then of course you have your dresser and drawers right there. There are 3 drawers right there. I'm not gonna open them all up. I don't know why that one's a different color. Therese, of course, with all her ears stashed away in them. And then under this side, it's kind of a unique place. I haven't seen blankets and pillows put right there, but you have your safe up top. And yeah, I guess it's just extra pillows down there. I don't know if there's any extra blankets or not in here. You may have to request that. But in the summertime, I don't know that we'll need it. And then of course you have right here your queen size bed. One of the things that I get is kind of weird though, for all the putting USB-Cs everywhere, there is no USB-C right next to the bed. It's just 2 traditional USB ports right there. And then of course a place to store stuff underneath there. And then on this side, they did put another USB-C right there. So that's kind of odd off the wall. Each side has its own light right there. And like I said, you'll notice kind of just how much this really does look like a Pop Century room if you've ever been here. But as far as the bathroom goes, you'll see this is basically a barn style door right there to separate the bathroom from the rest of the room. We're gonna go ahead and slide that back open and show you the bathroom area, which is pretty standard. You have your towels right there, your sink. Down over here, you have your blow dryer as well as your iron. And then off to the right, you have your ironing board right there. And then you have a place to hang a few things. Claus, I've already got a shirt hanging there. You also have your mirror right here, your makeup mirror that comes out if you need that. Push that back in. And then of course, the toilet and shower area does have a full length mirror right there, as it's kind of got that sliding pocket door And then of course, you just have your toilet here and a standard shower. This is good for kids. You know, if you have kids who like to take baths or whatever. Not all rooms have these days, but just to kind of show you, regular shower. Does have the string up here, always check for that. And it kind of got this little arched out elbow there, kind of creating a little bit of maybe a waterfall style shower for you. And then I'm going to slide these doors here, these glass doors. You'll see you have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash right there that Disney has. So we're going to back out of here and kind of give you just really one more good view. Oh, the view out the window. So anyway, here's just kind of a quick look out the window from where we're staying. Not much to look at this point, quite honestly. Yep, nature. So if you like nature, it's great. But that's gonna about do it for this room tour. So if you enjoyed the room tour, you got anything out of it, please consider hitting the thumbs up below. It would mean the world to us if you did. And if you like stuff like this, Disney, Universal, cruises, all that, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps us grow and you know, lets us know you enjoy what we do. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Enjoy this room tour. Got any? Why do I screw these up so bad?
Take three.
Take three.